Target filled.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Buy Money, and we trade live every single day. Is this going to be one of those forever runners? I took this trap. Sorry, I'm in the middle of a trade. I took this trap and currently have a runner right now. Let's let the runners run. See how far it goes. Set them free. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. I'm Buy Money. TGIF, pandas. Thank God it's Friday. Friday. We're back here. Yep. It's true. 50Ks. Got so tilted yesterday. But the good news, pandas, we are fully funded with 150K accounts. You gotta love that one-day promo. You gotta love that one-day promo. We're fully funded here. The pandas can testify. They're witnesses. Oh man, I thought this runner could really run, but it looks dirty. It looks real dirty. Oh, that looks dirty. It's not clean at all. Would like a solid bear follow through here. Instead, we're getting a reversal, a reversal candle, strong bull bar. Market's about to open. I would like to be in this trade when the market opens. Like, it could cause like a huge push down, which would be great for me. It's a nice, juicy move down. I would love it. But I wouldn't mind taking Big Mama again if it shoots back up. I took Big Mama here, and I failed it. It failed. I skunked it, actually, so I didn't take the full loss, which was good. Ultimately, good decision there. I took the reversal on the other side. Now it's going back up. Darn. I don't think we're going to get it. I don't think we're going to get a good runner here, unfortunately. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. No regrets. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Happy Camper. Good morning, D-Lou. Welcome. Gab. Welcome, Blacklight. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. T-Dog. You funded? Yes, sir. Mo7, welcome. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're in a runner here. And notice, pandas, these two blue lines I drew 2 days ago based off this cluster of candles. And I said, I think this will be a area of equilibrium. And we have, every time we enter the zone, we kind of go crazy. And guess what? We're back in the zone. We're going back and forth, back into the vortex. That's what I've been calling it the whole time. And now we are vortexed in here. Why did I mark that area? Just pure price action. When you look at it, I marked it when it happened. So I had a, you kind of get a feeling, based off what you see. And when you get this many stacked bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're not just overlapping, they're completely overlapping. And then right after that, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, you get like just about 20 bars overlapping, almost perfectly. And I think that just the price action revealed itself right there to be trading range. This is a 1 to 2 risk reward. I don't know if I want to take it. I don't know if I want to take the 1 to 2 or if I want to get, or if I want to go just let the runner run. Pandas, of course, we know the answer to that. We're letting our runners run. I could put my stop loss here, but I'm not. But I'm not going to do that, pandas. You know why? Content. Content. Good morning, guys. Hansman, good morning. Ruben, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I kind of got a hit this morning, but we're making some bamboo back up here. Darn, 4 pushes down. The reason why this feels dirty is because when I look at the 10,000 tick chart, it basically is on a support here, and we made a higher low, a higher high, and we can continue making higher lows and higher highs here. It could happen. I don't mind. I don't mind if I lose this that much. Of course, I would love if we just get a nice runner. It's been so long since we just got a juicy runner. But if we do reverse here, I would take Big Mama again. And I would feel... I'll probably go in pretty heavy, too. I'll probably go in pretty heavy, to be honest. I will go heavy in Big Mama. I want the market to open and this just slams to the downside. That's what I want to see, pandas. I want to see this just get crushed to the downside. That would be amazing right at market open. Don't you want to see that? I want to see that. Okay. I mean, this doesn't look good. I don't think I'm going to survive this. It's a second inch short forming here. But this push up could come back and take me out and tick shot me. Which happens all the time, pandas. My tick has so many holes in it because it's been shot up so many times. My ticks. This doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, pandas. What can I say? It's looking pretty bad for me. I don't think my runner's going to get there. I don't think my runner's going to get there. It's just been so long since we got a nice runner. I just don't know if runners are worth it. But who knows? You can always dream. Pandas can dream. You can always dream that this would be just a monster move down. Oof. Yeah, 10,000 tick chart looks like it's just an uptrend, but the channel it's creating is kind of large. 10,000 tick chart, it's a spike channel, but the channel is like big. It looks really big like this. I don't know if it's worth. Yeah, I'll just take the hit here. Okay, taps off the 20 EMA. Pandas. Did I just save myself from a tick shot? Instead of coming out break even +1, I'm coming out break even straight up on my position. And did I just save myself from getting tick shotted? Is it a miracle? One tick, pandas. Can you believe? Oh! Market just opened. Takes me out. It's all good. We will survive. We will fight to live another day, pandas. It is true. Second entry short forming now. Second entry short triggers. Could be a reversal here. The only problem is not the downtrend has not finished, in my opinion. We have more downtrend to go. So this might trigger, but I'm going to sit on my pause on this reversal. To me, this is the first break of trend. You need one more push down in order to consider taking a reversal here. But I could be wrong. Don't let me stop you from entering a trade that you love. Right? I do like these, but I think for me, I'd rather see this happen here. Let's get to that big mama, pandas. Big mama. Okay. It's looking a little sus now. If it reverses here, that could be pretty bad. Let's hope not for those who took that trap. I hope not. I hope it works out for you, for your sake. But for me, it's a little too sus to take this. Ooh, it's looking good for you now if you took that long. That's really good. That's really good breaking to the upside, inside bar. Inside bar breaking to the upside. All right. It looks good to me now. Who knows, though? Okay, it's looking good. Looking better and better. Okay. Reversal does work. Looks nice. Congratulations to those who took that trap. Problem with it, a little too choppy. I feel like it had one more push down. It needed to go. Just to retest the lows, some sort of double bottom. Maybe this is the double bottom it had. I'm not sure. The 5-minute candle, right? It closed here yesterday and it's trying to fill that gap now, it seems like. Oh, what a move, what a move, what a move. This big mama looks sus. If it gets triggered like this, it's very sus. I want to pull back. I want some consolidation here on the 20 EMA. And otherwise, this looks like a double top about to form. It looks really overextended. This could hurt. This could hurt, pandas. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I don't like it, to be honest. Gap fills on the 5-minute chart. Probably not a good time to reload my historical, but I just did it. Shouldn't make a difference, but... Okay, I want this, right? I want this consolidation. That's what you want to see. Let the 20 EMA catch up a little bit. Let the market breathe. Let it breathe. Catch its breath before it blasts off. Before it gives me a Hadouken. Give me a nice Hadouken here. Or Shoryuken, really. Shoryuken! Oh, wow. It looks very different. I just reloaded my historical. It looks very different, actually. Even more so, I wouldn't take this trap now. Even more so, I wouldn't take the trap because we're underneath the 20 MA. I'm not sure that's how it triggered, but... Even more so, I wouldn't take it. I have to reload my historical. Sorry, pandas. Okay, I kind of like the consolidation here. I kind of like the consolidation, the slight consolidation here. Don't mind it. Okay. I like it. It looks like it's bubbling up. It looks like it's bubbling up here in this area. Oh, give me a two-legged pullback. Give me a two-leggy here. Come on. Give me a two-leggy. Two-leggy about to form here, pandas. I'll take it. I'll take the two-leggy. Two-legged pullback forming here. Terrible signal bar. The worst of worst. Interesting. Okay. If this gives me a nice signal bar, I'll take it, but this is too ugly. Give me a nice signal bar, I'll take it. I'm priming my order up here. Okay, or that. I can't take a two-leggy with that kind of signal bar. Right, this is way too bearish. Beneath the 20 EMA. Currently does not look good for two-leggy. If this is a strong bull bar, maybe. Strong bull bar, but has a trigger above the 20 EMA. This is just coming right back down. Look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. There's just bull bar and then bear bar, no follow through. Interesting. Interesting. Makes me feel like market's confused in this area. Now we're creating a trend line here. Possible triangle.
10,000 tick trap.
Possible triangle here. Another trap reversal, right? Another failed second entry long, perhaps forming here. I'm gonna skip it. It doesn't make sense to take this one, to me at least. But who knows? Outside bar reversal. You want to take reversals. I mean, it could be a double top, lower high double top, but I feel like the reversals. I don't know. You need some sort of break of trend. Good skip on the trap, in my opinion. Regardless if this works or not, a good skip. But it looks like a good skip overall with the price action here. Okay, you would have lost that trade if you took it. When traps fail like that, they're usually pretty bullish. Usually quite bullish. Second entry long forming 10,000 tick chart. Right, 10,000 tick, it's a second entry long. A, B, C, A. I may want to just take it here with one contract. I may just want to trade a 10,000 tick with one contract, pandas. big candle though. It's quite a large candle. It's quite a large candle on the 10,000 tick. And it looks like we're in a triangle right now. Triangles mean you stay away. That's why it's good to know. Right? Triangles mean stay away until breakout happens, then you can make a play after the breakout. But it is a triangle. Problem is taking second entry long on a 10K chart. I'm banking on a breakout on this triangle. Vegas futures. Good morning, pandas. Shall we dance? Shall we dance is the question. Shall we dance? Okay. We shall not. It's an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart, pandas. OI, that means we're completely inside, right? The candle is completely inside the previous candle's range. Means breakout mode, triangle. It's a triangle on a smaller time frame, exactly what we see on 2000 tick chart. Okay, higher low forming here. This is just interesting. Mo7 is calling upon the Al Brooks Encyclopedia. He is summoning, conjuring. Wowzers. I'm just gonna be patient here. I'm gonna wait for the inside bar to pop on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it's about to form another inside bar. We'll see though. See, I'm tempted to take this second entry long. This looks pretty bullish now. You know what? After looking at this looks quite bullish. Creating a triangle above the 20 MA. The only problem is the risk is quite large. Right, doesn't that look bullish, pandas? Looks bullish to me. Higher lows forming so far. We got a higher high. I guess ultimately in trading range. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like how this candle looks. Let's create another inside bar. Just incredible.
$10,000 tick trap.
It's a OI pattern. Second entry long forming here. I mean, it looks pretty bullish to me. What can I say? What can I say? Looks quite bullish. Quite bullish. Ishan asks how many more days for BBM? Ends on Monday, so maybe, yeah, that's good. I'll put that up there. Wow, this went to the very tip of the triangle, pandas. I mean, can you get any more? That literally, it's like, can you get any more triangular? That's the most triangle of triangles I've seen. That's the most triangulous thing ever. That is very triangular. Someone should take a picture of how triangle this is. It's the most perfect triangle ever created on YouTube, verified. Wowzers. All right. Breaking to the downside, the 5-minute chart may be hinting a OII pattern. Breaking to the downside. Technically, I should take that to the downside. But it looks like we're in an uptrend, so I'd rather break to the upside. It does break to the downside. This could be a flush down. It could really be a flush down. No longer interested in that trade. Coming right back into our vortex here. These two blue lines. Oh, this vortex is too strong. This whole week has been controlled by this vortex. These two blue lines. Okay. 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 Double bottom here. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, we're fully funded 150K. I don't know. It doesn't seem like a clear breakout to me. Does it to you?
$10,000 tick trap.
Trap triggers. Not bad. Right back into the vortex. The reason why I take that trap is because I don't see a reversal here. I don't see anything here. I just don't. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Traps are good once you get a nice reversal off of resistance, right? The whole idea of a trap is that it's a reversal setup. But what are we reversing from, right? We're going sideways, so we can't really reverse from something going sideways. Don't know, pandas. Just watching. If you're confused, I think you are in good company. If you are confused, you are in good company right now. Okay, it's pushing down. All right. Might be breaking down now. Who knows? I have no idea. Whatever. This price action is terrible, as always. I don't think we've had a good opening for a week. This entire week, the openings have been very, 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 very dirty. Chop Master 5000. That's what this is. Dirty price action, pandas. Choppington City. Peter Joe, welcome. GC Burke, welcome, guys. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Salvatore, welcome, guys. Sean, welcome, welcome. Charles Wilson. One more day left. How about that?
10,000 tick trap.
One more day left. That's a little more accurate. Oh, we're finally pushing down. It took 5,000 years, but we're finally dripping here. It's untradeable, though, in my opinion. Ultimately, if you took this trap, it would work out for you. You just have to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. It's torture. That's actual torture. And your mental capital gets sapped. Gets sucked up like a vacuum. But ultimately, the 5-minute, right? The OII pattern works out. I think. Let me see. Did we make a 1-to-1 yet? We haven't made a 1-to-1 yet. We're very close, but we have not yet made a 1-to-1. If you're going to take the proper trade here, you need to have your risk set at the other side of the inside bar. And that's your target, right? That's your reward. A 1-to-1 reward because you're thinking, oh, okay, hits it. Hits the 1-to-1 perfectly. Bounces off of it. And the idea is that hopefully whenever you take this setup, you at least are a little better than 50-50. Right? You want to be a little better than 50-50. That's the whole idea. You know what's interesting? Trading should be a zero-sum game. But for some reason, 90% of people lose. How's that possible? How's that possible? Technically, like the only thing you should lose are your commissions. Like you should, you know, if all is fair, you know, any type of strategy or setup basically should be a zero-sum gain. But for so many of us, we just lose. Lose. It's interesting. If everything's completely like, should be, I guess, random, 50-50 on everything, then but this price action is absolute trash. Has been for several weeks now. Like, how am I supposed to trade this? What am I supposed to do here? Like, honestly, riddle me this. What do I do in this garbage? Garbage. Okay. Continue to push down. All right, pandas. Can I just say I appreciate you guys, especially in times like this, where we can just sit, relax, hang out, because this price action is untradeable. So I cannot tell you how much I appreciate the company. Second just short here. Second entry short. Do I like it? No, I don't. It's ugly. This is not how a two-legged pullback should look like. Big wicks, big tails. Doesn't touch the 20 EMA. The trend looks just awkward. If I was desperate for a setup, maybe I'll just take it, but that's not it. That's not it for me, at least. You're just not that skilled as chart reader. Let me read this. Let me read this Ignite comment real quick. You're just not that skilled as chart reader. I already took 2 trades before the market even opened. This whole time I've been saying the price action has been trash since the open. And this guy comes in
10,000 tick trap
and makes a statement that doesn't even make sense. It actually agrees with what I've been saying, because he only took trades before the market opened. I'm actually a great chart reader, because I'm reading this in a way where it's telling me there are no setups. No, I just want everyone to look at the Sandu's comment and see how ignorant it is. I'd rather just expose him than time him out. But hey, thanks for joining, Sandu. I appreciate it. I've been saying since the market opened, the market has been trash. And this guy comes in and says, "You're not good at reading the charts." I took trades before the market opened. I also took trades before the market opened. You can see my you can see my trade markers. But sometimes the people on YouTube, I mean, the regulars here, you guys are cool. You guys don't make ignorant comments like that. But then every once in a while you get someone so ignorant, it just makes you laugh. It's just hard. It's hard to just, it just cringe. It's just like ultimate cringe. We were both in Chop City and Cringe City. Thanks, Sandu. You just really you really got me there. You really got me there. Yeah, he probably uses Top Step. You can see all my trade markers. You can see that I traded also before market opened. I did have one loser though that skunked. Big Mama failed. but I skunked it before it really took a big hit. Second entry short here. I may take the trap on a 10K chart. But to be honest, I do not know. Okay.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm game. 10,000 tick trap. It's so choppy though. Do I want to take this? I don't know. 10,000 tick trap, pandas. It's such a big risk. I don't know. I don't like it. I really don't like it. I don't like it. I just feel like when I look at the 2000 tick chart, this doesn't look like a trendy market. So if we do break down there, I just don't know how strong it's going to be. Plus the risk is quite large. If the risk was smaller, maybe I'll consider it. Trap on the 2000 tick chart, skipping it. I don't know. Really hard for me to really. It's just so sideways. I just don't know like when is a good time to enter these traps. Decent skip here seems like at least. Traps reversing here. That's a bar reversal. It's just everything about this oozes choppiness, oozes trading range. Everything about this is telling me that I should sit on my paws. If you took that trap, you just lost that trade. Good skip on my part. I may consider a fail second entry long here. Fail second entry long here will be a decent trade, I think. We also have to consider this. Whoa, okay. Second entry long here, fail second entry long may be decent trade because it aligns with the fail second entry long on the 10K chart. There's confluence. I may take it. Or this could just rocket upwards. It's a nice looking signal bar, but it's so choppy. In fact, a panda is supposed to be a protected species. Alright, I'm game. I am game here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Shall we? Trap triggers 10,000 tick chart. I take it with this risk. The target's here. No, I'll take it with this risk here. This makes sense. Let's go, baby. $10,000 tick chart trap trade, right? That's why I wanted that, and I went with two positions. One to cover the 2,000 tick chart trap, and one to cover the 10,000 tick chart trap. I mean, if we're in a trading range, pandas, our 5-minute trading range is quite large. It actually comes all the way down to here. I would love to see it run. I would love to see this run. Give me 2 pushes down, pandas, and I'll turn on Super Saiyan. I'll turn Super Saiyan on if we get a nice push down here. 1-to-1 already made. In fact, if we use this as our 1-to-1, that was also already made. Right? If we use this pivot high, this major kind of pivot high as our 1-to-1, that would also have made the 1-to-1. So on the 10,000 tick chart, you made a 1-to-1. Right? That's your 1-to-1 here. And, oh, you know what? No, you haven't. You haven't. You haven't made a 1-to-1 yet. What am I talking about? Wah! Oh, there goes my runner. There goes my runner. Oh, good, pandas. We got some bamboo there. We got some bamboo there. Okay. I'll take it. Sure. I'll take whatever I can get. Oh, you know why? Because the entry is better. Better entry here than a 10,000 tick. The 5-minute actually creates another OI pattern. We have an OII pattern here and another OII pattern here. 2 OII patterns. That's crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. It's kind of rare. You got two OII patterns. Usually getting an OII pattern is pretty rare, right? You can get OI patterns, right? Happens a lot, right? OI here, just 1 inside bar. But having 2 inside bars and that happening twice in a row, that is interesting. That's I think quite rare. Quite uncommon, let's call it. Came back to the vortex. We're back in the vortex. This vortex is just ruining everything. It's like sucking all the price action back into it, causing huge trading ranges. The 1-to-1 still might be hit on the 10K chart. I'm a firm believer the 10K chart is actually traded. People do use the 10K chart to trade. I believe it is. I don't think the 2,000 tick chart is widely adopted, but I think the 10,000 tick chart is actually widely adopted. Just because of the price action I've seen from it. I think it is trying to attempt the 1-to-1. If it fails, it fails. If this is a trading range, you're gonna overshoot, leading to an undershoot. Okay, you can higher low here. Second entry short. Forming. This could just be a downtrend now.
10,000 tick trap.
Something like this. Two-tier down channel. Second entry short does trigger here. Do I like this trap reversal? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't like anything right now. Can I be honest? I just don't like any setups right now. I think this price action looks ugly. Because I have a huge daily chart. This is how the daily chart looks like right now. It's an OI pattern on the daily chart. I'm going to regret this one. I am certainly going to regret this one. I feel it. I believe we have a wedge bottom on the 5-minute chart. Oh, I entered. Okay, I entered a little early there. Taking this trap. It's looking good right now. Maybe I could run it. I don't know. Swing trade it instead. Swing trade stop will be right here. If I swing trade this, this is how it would look like. That's my swing trade target. Sit back and relax, pandas. Are we gonna get our swing trade here? I feel like it's about a time for a reversal on the 5-minute chart. Wedge bottom on the 5-minute, gap up, wedge bottom. Sit back, relax. Let the trade work out. What I'm talking about is a 5-minute, where it has a gap up, and 3 pushes down, creating a wedge on the 5-minute chart. It's a wedge, right? 3 pushes down, typically reverse off of the 20 MA. So this is why I feel like we could reverse here. In fact, we could have a pretty nice move up to retest the close, yesterday's close. Like it can basically, if this is a reversal, it's gonna come back and basically retest these highs here. But let's just keep it on the 2000 tick chart because that's more interesting. It's just more movement, more candles forming. But ultimately, this is a 5-minute chart trade. Good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Have an amazing weekend if you do have to leave.
10,000 tick trap.
I will not be shaken. Pandas, I will not be shaken. I will not be shaken. I'm getting a little bit shaken. I'm a little bit shook. You're going to have to do better than that, market, to take me out of this trade. You're going to have to do better than that. Okay, I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, market. I mean, if you want to take me out, it's pretty good. Pretty good attempt right now. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little scared. Just a little bit. I'll come to terms with a loss here. You know, you got to take your shot. You got to shoot your shot. Wedge bottom on the 5-minute 2000 or 20 EMA. I got to attempt it. Wedge bottom. All right, gap up, wedge bottom in an uptrend. Got to consider it as a possibility. We get a nice big move up. Of course, these wedge bottoms can fail, which could quite possibly be what's happening here. And then we just get a downtrend, or really just come back to the bottom of the trading range, which also makes sense. We've been in this trading range for a long time, and today may not be any different. But regardless, pandas, you can't blame me for trying. You can't blame me for trying. Oh, man. Brace yourselves. Brace yourselves for the most amazing reversal ever. Brace yourselves for the most amazing trade ever. Oh boy, if this trap triggers, that's really bad news, pandas. I might as well reverse this trade if this trap triggers. Goodness gracious. I'm okay. I'll set on my pause. Completely okay with losing this. But boy, oh boy, if this trap triggers, that is bad news. Really bad news for the bulls. Are you guys ready for the most amazing reversal ever seen in history? Verified on YouTube? Are you guys ready for this? 5-minute chart still looks juicy. Still looks like a juicy pop here about to happen. In fact, I will go in with another contract if this triggers. 5-minute chart looks juicy. Oh, it looks pandas. Are you guys ready for the most amazing reversal ever seen on YouTube history? Or not. What's going on? What's happening? What's happening right now? Come on! Come on! Come on! It's a second entry long, pandas. I gotta try. Right? You gotta try. Lean into your mistakes. Yeah, once you see a mistake, you just lean. You lean so hard, you fall. You fall to the other side. You become correct. This looks juicy, pandas. This looks really juicy. Oh. We are in, pandas. We are in. Who am I kidding? I mean, if we reverse here, it's it. Done deal. Second entry long. Ooh. Give me a strong push up. Ooh. Pandas. I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get it. Yeah, I think we're at least retest. Let's retest this. Retest this area. The previous day's close. Retest. Oh, this looks good, Pandas. I mean, give me a strong bull bar, please. End on a strong bull bar. That'd be amazing. That would be quite spectacular. What's happening, Pandas? That's not what I want to see. What is this wick? What's this wick doing? Who said you could wick here?
10,000 tick trap.
Oh no, what's happening? Pandas. I think I might have made a boo-boo here. I might have made a boo-boo. I thought we were gonna rock. I thought we were gonna launch. Second entry long here off of 20 MA. I thought we were gonna just rock it up. This might be Falcon Heavy's first attempt, first launch. Might just explode in midair. Huh. Okay. Why you scare me like that for no reason? Why are you so scary for no reason? Why do you do that? Why do you give me these heart attacks? Stop it. My little panda heart can't handle it. Give me a strong bull bar ending on its high 5-minute chart, please. Please give me a strong bull bar ending on its high 5-minute chart. Oh, pandas. That's a good looking bar. Watch the bulls rush in. The bulls are rushing in. Right, always in long. Right, the always in long bulls are now in. This is their confirmation. They just buy the close here. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm thinking. Always in long bulls. Buy the closed bulls are in. They're in town. Always in long bulls. Push! Push! Pandas, give me your P's. Push! Push! Gotta retest the previous day's close. Push! Come on! Push! You can do it. You can do it! Come on! You're so close. Push! Yes! Pandas! No! What's happening? No! Push! What is that? What is that? No! Did I miss it by 2 ticks? Did I miss my target by 2 ticks? It's gonna reverse on me now? I don't think so. Not with your P's. Push! Every P in the chat, a new panda is born. Push! Every P in the chat pushes this one more tick. Come on. Come on. Oh! Push! Come on. Come on. Goodness gracious. Come on. Come on. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Woo! Pandas. 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 What did I say? You're going to witness the greatest reversal, most spectacular reversal of all time, and you just witnessed it. You guys were here. You witnessed greatness. You witnessed a miracle. At the end, it was that wedge bottom. Gap up, wedge bottom. Thank you, Al Brooks. Thank you for the bamboo. If it weren't for you, I'm not taking that trade. But how many heart attacks did I have to go through just to make that? Goodness gracious, Pandas. Whoo! Take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Man, now we got Big Mama here. I might lose all my profits here. But I gotta attempt this Big Mama. I gotta do it. I gotta try. If it does trigger. Wow. Pandas. Whew. What a ride. What a ride. Ride or die, Pandas. Ride or die. The nice thing about that, Pandas, I made more than 1-to-1 on that. Right? Even on my worst, even on my biggest, really my biggest stop. Oh, you know what? I missed it. I missed it. No, what am I talking about? My average entry. Actually, my average entry was right here. Yeah. Yep. I did miss it by like half a point, but it does hit it. I would say people, I mean, I basically based it off this entry here. I basically made a 1-to-1 on this bar. Oh, now I'm scared about Big Mama. Big Mama, it feels overextended, but I feel like I gotta attempt the Big Mama here. I don't know. Should I skip Big Mama? Pandas, thank you for your P's. Thank you for your P's. Without your P's, I'm telling you, I would not have made that. The market, right? Jerome Powell was trembling as the Pandas were smashing the P's in the chat for push. Can you just imagine Jerome Powell just quivering while watching the stream? Because you know he watches the stream. You know Jerome Powell's here, right? Powie, I know you're here. And you just got wrecked. I know you tried to take my bamboo away, but our panda army is too strong. Panda army is too strong. You know, I'll take it. I'll take Big Mama. One contract. That's it. One contract. I realize it's scaring me because I was trying to go with 4 contracts. But I think one contract, I feel comfortable taking Big Mama with one contract. Yusuf, Panda, just $300 to my first withdrawal ever. Let's go. Hope you make it. The reason why I don't like Big Mama is because the risk is too large. I gotta do something about that risk. The risk is just too large. I'm risking $250 here to gain $125. I think that's the big problem with Big Mama. The risk is just too big. Risk is too big. %70 of you guys said don't take Big Mama. Well, I mean, to be honest, there's only 7 people. Only 10 people have voted, so maybe there'd be more people who would say take it. It just seems like a double top-ish, rangy, price action wise. It doesn't look like a good trade to take, in my opinion. What can I say? It doesn't look like a good trade to take. Right, if I look at the 2000 tick chart, it just looks like a big trading range about to form, and I'm trying to go long at the top of a trading range. That's what it feels like and seems like. All right, I'm just gonna look at the price action and just skunk this because I do feel like quite possibly. I don't want to lose too much here. What's going on?
Target filled.
All right. I don't feel comfortable with that at all. I mean, it just the 2000 tick chart. If you look at it, it's just big down, wait, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. It is like the definition of trying to go long at the top of a trading range, in my opinion. Whoa, speaking of trading range, the trading range just jumped up to here. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but this trading range adjusts itself as more price action develops, and it has found the new top of the trading range. I don't know, pandas. I feel okay skipping that. I feel okay skipping it. I feel okay skipping it. It's all good. Breaking to the upside. I don't know. See, I don't like it when we're in a trading range and it reaches the trading range without much, like, and it seems like it goes straight there. So like it feels like there's not much. I don't know. It looks like more like a bull leg in a trading range. I guess what I'm trying to say, right? It looks exhausted by the time it gets up here. If it gets here like this strong, I guess if it feels less. I don't know. It doesn't feel as good. I don't know how. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. By the time it gets to the top, it already feels exhausted. Even though we're in breakout mode right now, right? Small pullback, bull trend. That's what's happening. We could go up forever here. We could really go up forever. It's just hard to say because it looks like a trading range right now. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. Most likely trading range, but looks like Big Mama's gonna work out here though. Yeah, Big Mama about to work out. It just needs to hit 1, 2.5. Yep. Big Mama target. I gotta have to adjust Big Mama just because the risk is so huge on Big Mama. It hurts too much when you lose it. Yeah, unfortunately, Big Mama is made, right? It fails the first time. This is why I'm so eager to enter it the second time. Because it fails the first time. Usually the second attempt is very good. So it fails the first time and the second attempt is very good. But it doesn't help that I'm like, I made bamboo today and I feel like I want to protect my profits. And I think just price action wise, it just felt like it was exhausted by the time it gets to the top of the trading range. Like when I look at this, this looks like a trading range to me. I don't know if it is. I mean that's what it feels like. If we got like consolidation in this area, and then we saw like maybe a strong move up, I don't know. I would feel way more inclined to take it. But it just felt like a trading range. What can I say? That's what it felt like. Charles Wilson took it. So Charles Wilson has bigger and harder cojones than me. Than yours truly. Because he took that and stuck with it. Made it. I gotta just do something about that risk. That risk. The risk reward just crushes you. Honestly, I would like it if it just looked better, but man. Simba, I'm new to futures. What are contract sizes preferred for 100K account if you want risk 1% per trade? You have to trade micros. You gotta trade micros. And it depends on your time frame. Depends on your strategy. It's really hard to say. It really depends. We trade the Emini here. We don't trade oil. We don't trade natural gas. You could trade that. But for me, if I'm going to trade something every single day, I want to trade the most liquid market in the world. So Blacklight says switch to time chart 2 minute and 4 minute. So good. 21, 25, and 58 EMAs. It is gold. Interesting. Huh. At the end, you gotta always consider price action though, whatever strategy you use. Take Big Mama 2 contracts only on a 150K account. Best combo. At the end, it was more of the price action. It didn't seem right. It didn't seem right, but it works out. So, like, look how extended it is already by the time it triggers Big Mama. Kind of similar to this. This is worse, I think. Like more overextended. Maybe second entry long here. Another reason why I really like it because the daily chart has an inside bar, OI pattern, which means that bulls who are in long here, they want to see a measure move, right? Their risk is this. Their risk reward is this on the daily chart, right? That's what the daily bulls are looking for. Or people who trade a daily chart, this is what they want. So this is why I feel like it was going to be very bullish. I'm up 375 pandas on average. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make payouts for the next round, but on average, you know, if you want to get to $5,000, which is how you get the payouts, if you want to do it in a trading in 1 month, maybe about 22 days, you need to average around $250 a day. You got to average about $250 a day if you want to make $5,000 in 1 month. So I'm up 375, which means I've hit my average. So by the end of the month, I can make $5,000 in 1 month of trading. That is not the end of this month, but. One month, 5,000. That's the goal right now. I know it'll take longer to get to the payout, but at the end, it's kind of the same. You know, just gonna have to take a little longer to get to that first payout. But that's the thing about the 150K accounts. You need $5,000 minimum to withdraw, which is double what you need for the 50K account. But it's but you get $5,000 worth of trailing threshold. So that's kind of the give and take. But with that being said, you get I guess you could trade heavier. Like technically, if you just trade let's just say you trade one contract on the 50K account, then technically you can just trade two contracts on the 150K account, and it'll be similar in terms of how fast you get to, your payouts or whatnot. Does that make sense? Hope that makes sense. See, wait a second. I'm up. I am at 5,300 for the month. Let's go. Are you gonna withdraw? Bobby, see, I took a brief break from trading. Sometimes you gotta just take a step back and relax. And then when you see the market again, it kind of looks brand new, looks fresh to you. Your mental capital is back. You don't realize like how much your mental capital gets affected until you take a long break and you're like, whoa, I can see everything now. And you realize that's what it takes, right? That's how much break you need. You know, if you take like a month break, you come back and you realize, well, I feel like I can stare at the charts for like, you know, 8-7 hours straight. I mean, that's where your mental capital, you know, is just restored at that point. That's what it really feels like. Sometimes a weekend is not even enough to restore that mental capital. Oof. I mean, monster move up. Monster move up. Small pullback bull trend. I mean, this could be going up forever. This could be going up forever. You know what I should have done, Pandas? I should have held one runner on this trade. I should just held one runner. I don't know why I didn't. And just see how far it'll go. Darn it. I should just held the one runner. Just hold it for the whole day and see what happens. It's all good though, Pandas. All right, Pandas, this has been good. Hey, up 375, I'll take it. We got brand new 150K accounts. We're fully funded here, and so we're gonna try to get that bamboo again. We're gonna keep trying until we get it. It's a matter of when, not if. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early Monday. Hope you trade safe for the rest of the day, and hope your weekends are good as well. Just regain that mental capital as much as you can. Relax, enjoy it, spend time with family, friends, or whoever, yeah, enjoy yourselves. Let's just say this: we're gonna do better next week than we did this week. That's the plan, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early Monday, 9 o'clock for the pre-market, 9:15 for the mission. Don't forget to use code BBM for 80% off right now, and only one single day needed to pass your evals. And there's one more day left on Monday. That's when it ends. So I hope you take full advantage of it while you still can. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. Yeah.